Welcome. In this video I will show you how to easily organize your desktop on MacBook Air M5. So, my favorite option in order to organize icons on the desktop is to simply use the stacks feature, which we can activate by pressing two fingers on the trackpad and selecting use stacks option, which will automatically organize everything on the desktop, putting it into different categories that can be expanded if we tap or click on any of them. But if you don't want to organize files this way, you can use some other features. For example, if you click with two fingers in any empty space of your desktop and select sort by and then switch to snap to grid, it will automatically snap everything you have on your desktop to the grid, so you will not be able to put your files and folders anywhere, and to automatically align your icons, use cleanup option in the same menu. And that's pretty much all the ways in which we can organize the space on the desktop. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.